How to save pictures or image from Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way that you can use and you can save your Google Docs images to your computer. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs and I have two image here. I'm going to insert another image to show you. Okay, so now we have two image on my Google Docs. So the first way, you can just right click on your image, just select the image, right click on it, okay, and go to the copy. After copy, we need to go in this drawing option, just click outside, then this drawing option will be visible. Go to the new. Now you have to just paste this image. After paste, the image has been pasted on the drawing. Now we need to go in action. Under the action, you can see you can download this image as a PDF, Jpeg, PNG, and SVG. So let me download this image. The image has been downloaded in my computer, you can see. Okay, you need to just click on this folder icon, then your image will be open in folder, okay, your computer. So now just save. Now you can just again delete this and save and close. Then if you want to insert, if you want to save all image from Google Docs in your computer, then the another option you can see, you can download or save your all Google Docs image to your computer at once. What you need to do, just go to the file, go to the download, and now we need to select this option, web page. It will be download a zip file. Okay, then open that zip file and unzip it. I will show you. Okay, just click that folder option, then the folder will be open like this. Now we'll see the zip file, just right click on it and just extract it. Okay, I just extract, then the folder has been extracted here. Now just open that folder and you can see the folder called images, and here you can see all images which the document has. Okay, you can see the all images which is saved in your computer. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.